Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to see YouTube real-time viewer count. To see your YouTube's real-time viewer count in 2026, you have to use the built-in YouTube Studio dashboard for overall channel's performance or the live control room for active broadcast. First of all, go ahead and open your application on your device or hit the browser, then type in youtubestudio.com. Now, once you're there, sign into your account and you should be able to find this analytics option. Go ahead and click on it. And once you scroll down, you should be able to find this real time option. Go ahead and click on it. From here, you should be able to view all these viewers' record or history from here. Now, there are also options like there are also filter options from which you can use to see on your specific long videos or just shorts. And you can also use this time option where you can view 60 minutes update or 48 hours. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.